Hey guys, how's everybody doing? If my voice sounds a little bit off, guys, it's because I've had this horrible cold. I'm all stopped up, but I'm doing it. I'm going to keep going. Now, I think we have a Boxycharm spoiler. Now, Joe, of course, you know how he puts these Instagram stories up and always shows a sneak peek of something. This one, it was kind of obvious. So he shows two of the dose of colors. It's a lip product. I'm not sure if it's a liquid lipstick or a lip gloss. I'm not exactly sure of the exact product, but we do know it's dose of colors. And he kind of puts them to the side and he's like, don't pay attention to these. You're seeing it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and play the clip for you guys, and that way you could judge for yourself just to see what he's doing.
So this is, oh, by the way, I'm sorry, ignore the dose over here, get nothing to do with that. We're not talking about those two. We're not talking about that or other shades. We're not. Now, so this is, oh, by the way, I'm sorry, ignore the dose over here, get nothing to do with that. We're not talking about those two. We're not talking about that or other shades. We're not. Now, so this is.
Okay, guys, so we know that's dose of colors, but we don't know what exact lip product that it's going to be. But we know that might be in a future Boxycharm. Now, I'm not exactly sure of the month, but we know most likely that one is going to be in a box. So, guys, that is the end of this video. And make sure you turn your bell on. That way you catch all these spoilers. That way you're notified of every video I upload. I try to get spoilers out as soon as they reveal anything or I see anything in the background of Joe's posts. And make sure you rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That just shows YouTube that you're enjoying my videos. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to become a part of my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.